Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text to speech on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. Okay, this is my TikTok and I'm going to create TikTok post. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery, for example. I'm going to go to my gallery and then I'm going to upload photo from my pins folder. Okay, I'm just going to select this photo. I'm going to click on next. And before I show you how we can use the text to speech, I'm going to add text to my post. I'm going to go to the TikTok editing and I'm going to go to the text. And for example, I'm going to add this text. Good night everyone, like this. And then if I want to add text to speech, we just need to click on the text to speech option. You can go back, click on the check mark, and the text to speech will be added right here. You just need to click on the text to speech option and then you can select the voice you want to apply to your text. And I'm going to try it one by one. I'm going to show you guys.
Good night, everyone.
Like this.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Okay.
Good night, everyone.
You just need to select the voice that you like.
Good night, everyone.
Or the voice
Good night,
that
everyone.
that is suitable for your video.
Good night, everyone.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. I'm gonna click on this option and then you'll be able to apply the voice to all your tags as well. If you want to apply it to all your tags, you just need to click on apply to all right here. And then the text to speech with this voice will be applied to all your texts. Okay, and I'm just going to go back and I'm going to show you the final result.
Good night, everyone.
Okay, you'll be able to edit the text if you want. Just go to the edit menu if you want to edit the text. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!